Welcome to FCSI's Serving Up Solutions video series. With Ergonomics, it's all about fitting the worker to their workstation and making sure that they're the most comfortable possible. And we do look at workstations, making those efficient and comfortable. And we also look at the whole entire building as far as how people move throughout the building and how food and materials also is transported. So it kind of goes hand in hand where you're looking at the workstation, but you're also looking holistically at the entire building and making sure that there's a short distance between where supplies have to go and where people have to move throughout to make the operation efficient. In food service, you have a lot of different pieces of equipment as well that are mechanical and different sizes, and they're positioned in different levels. So probably the most challenging part is just making sure that all the pieces and all the equipment that they're using in the tables are at the right size for that person working the job. The first part of the process that we look at is I kind of look at it as a macro look at the facility and see where all the workstations and storage areas are positioned so that they're efficiently can be efficiently worked. From there, it's basically looking at the workstations and making sure that heights are correct and that they're using mechanical equipment versus manual equipment. That also helps from the repetitive stress disorders and injuries. The consultant is able to look at the objective of what the client is really what their end goals are, and we're able to work with the engineers and the architects to come up with solutions that are probably difficult to see from the outside. So we're able to talk from an operational standpoint with the owner, and then also talk in a language with the architecture and with the mechanical and engineers to come up with solutions. As a designer, we want to make sure that the space is ergonomically friendly for all the employees so that the labor cost is as low as possible, and that the risk of injuries is really low too. We want to have a safe environment. And we want to have, if the employees are comfortable in their workstation and everything is flowing correctly, they're going to be a lot more happier in their position. And so employee retention is going to be higher. So it's a win-win situation, and the employees that are comfortable in their workstation are going to perform better customer service, and ultimately, better food quality is going to go out the door. FCSI consultants don't buy or sell any equipment, and there are other designers out there that are linked to equipment and they buy and sell equipment. So we're totally objective, and we're going to match the design and the equipment solutions that are best for the client. Thank you for watching FCSI's Serving Up Solutions video series.